You ever been in a seminar? You ever have that one person that's just sort of dominating the seminar to the point where it's almost like nobody can get a question in, or nobody can have their opinion or their view heard? Well, that happens a lot. Hello, my name is TJ O'Donnell, and I will be discussing focus groups, and in particular, do female members of focus groups allow women equal opportunities to express their opinions? And to start out, I would like to propose two numbers to remember: 75% and 2.5 times. The 75% is that 75% of all talking done in business meetings, according to business research, is done by men. The 2.5%, or the 2.5 times, actually, is that is the number of how likely men are going to speak up more than women in academic settings. And this goes mainly to the main point. It's likely that female participation in focus groups follows that same pattern. So this is another thing I'm proposing. Could the process to obtain clear female participation from the same-sex focus groups be beneficial if the moderator was the same sex? And I have written down all of these on a sheet, and this mainly is to ensure more expression and essentially assure more participation actively without fear of retaliation. And this is how I propose to do the survey based on the similarities from political opinions or political surveys. You start with 3 separate groups: men only, women only, and then both. After the primary group, then you conduct a focus group of that focus group. And when you're in the mixed group, particularly the men and women, you ask these 3 questions, which I will read here. Did you feel comfortable to speak freely? Did any member of the focus group overly dominate? Did you not speak out because you felt your opinion was not valued? And was a level of respect and civility maintained by the group? Now, when you go to the women's only group, you ask those same questions, but you also add 2 new questions. And these questions are, quote, did you feel more comfortable to speak freely around women only? And do you feel the women-only environment encouraged your responses to the questions? This also has to benefit from other research which is used to overcome the regional biases and the urban and rural differences. Our textbook brings up Joel Davis and his idea that we need to also spend some time looking into online focus groups because, and to quote Davis here, participants should overcome inhibitions and relay views more candidly. This also allows the private setting participants to discuss personal, embarrassing issues or emotional experiences more openly. Thank you.